We'll discuss prism. Prism is a polyhedron with two polygonal bases parallel to each other. So there are several types of prisms. Example, the triangular, square, rectangular, pentagonal, and so forth. But most often we deal on total area of the prism. It is always equal to the area of the bases plus area of the sides. Area of the sides is known as lateral area. And another term for the lateral area of a solid is called convex area. But generally, the volume should be equals to base times height. So we'll take up an example. What is the volume of a rectangular prism whose base is 6 by 3 centimeter and whose altitude is 13 centimeter? So this altitude, this one is equal to 13 centimeter, while this one is 6 by 3. So this one is 6, this one is by 3. So 6 by 3 and 13. So volume is equals to area of the base times, of course, the height. Or equivalent to your base here is 3 times 6 times the height is 13 centimeter. So volume would be equivalent to 234 centimeter cube. So we'll take up the other one. What is the lateral area of a right prism having a square base and altitude of 20 centimeter? One side of the base is 9 centimeter. So you have this one 9, this one is 9, so this one is 9, 9, and this one is 20 centimeter. So your area would be this part here, 9 and 9. So you write this one, volume equals to BH for the volume, but for the lateral area or lateral area LA equal to the area of the side. So you have that one side here is you have this 120 by 9. Since this was a right prism, this one is also 20, 29. So you have 4 area of the sides times, of course, the 9 times 20. So your lateral area equals to 36 times 20, equivalent to 720 centimeters squared. So that is for the lateral area. Lateral area, I repeat, is on sides. But in total area, top and bottom, the bases, plus, of course, the lateral area. Another name to the lateral area is called convex area. So we'll take the next example, number 3. Right, on number 3, we have this one, right prism. So the area of this one is equal to 20 meters squared, whereas the length of this one or could be served as a height 10 meters squared. Since right prism, this area here is equivalent to this area here. So this one on definition of prism, this if we try this on bottom, this one is top, so they have similar. So how to solve the volume is simply follow the formula on volume. So volume equals to base times height equals to area of the base is given to be 20. The length is considered as height here. 10. You have that one is 200 cubic meter. So base times height represent the area. So the next is find the volume of a triangular prism. So volume triangular prism is 1. Triangular 12. The height is 10. This one also, this one is 10, this one is 12. And this one is the length here. So what's the volume here is simply area of this one times of course the length. So volume equals to base times height. The base there is area, you have that one 1/2 BH, you have that one 12 times 10. The height here is 16. So your volume would be 6 times 10 times 16 is you have 960 meters squared. Find the volume of the following rectangular prism or cube with. So your solution would be volume equals to base times height or equals to 6 times 3 times 4 or simply equals to 72 centimeter cube. Find the volume of a following triangular prism. So this one equivalent to make this triangle, this one is your h there, this one is 10, this one is 5. So your h equals to the square root of 100 minus 25 or equals to square root of 75 by Pythagorean theorem. Square of this one minus the square of this one. So 100 minus, right, Pythagorean theorem, this one is 10 square 100. You have that one 5 square, you have 25. This one is 5, 1/2 of 10. So make this one a right triangle. Since right triangle, use the Pythagorean theorem. H square equal to square of this one minus the square of this one. So 75. So volume equals to base times height. Your base is equals to, that is 1/2 BH. So 1/2, your B there is equal to 10. 1/2 times 10. And the H refers to this one, refers to square root of 75. Of course, this one is the base. Your H there is 24. Right. This one base refers to the area of this one. So 1/2, that's a triangle. So 1/2, use this one, your base is 10. And the height, of course, would be this one, the one solved, representing this one. It's, of course, your height would be equivalent to this one, 24 meters. So base times height. If you try to compute that one, 1/2 10 square root of 75, 24, you have that one is 519.61 cubic meters. So next one, number 7. So this one is number 6. Oh. So this one is on find the volume following prism. So this one is similar to the other one. So 20. You have 4. So your solution would be this one. 8 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square. So this one coming from this figured triangle, you have that one 4 centimeter, this one is 8, so you have 4, this one is 5, you solve for 8 squared plus 4 squared equals to 5 square. Why we solve 8 to find the height of this one, so that we can use area equals to 1/2 the 8. So your 8, they're equivalent to the square root of 25 minus 16, or h equivalent simply to 3 centimeter. So the volume would be equals to base times height. So your base equal to triangle, so 1/2. The base is 8 times the height as solved, you have that one 3. Then you have the times 20. The length is 20. So your volume equivalent to 240 centimeter cube. So as always, the area of this one is try to make use the Pythagorean theorem, then solve everything there.